best ThinkPads aren't just for spreadsheets, they're your all-day hustle and after-dark chill companions. Sure, they dominate in business with top-tier security and IT-friendly management, but their magic extends far beyond the boardroom. ThinkPads are some of the best laptops overall, known for their durability, performance, and battery life. In fact, the ThinkPad T14S Gen 6 holds the record with an incredible 21 hours of battery life, enough to last 2 full workdays without needing a charge. If you need a laptop that doesn't quit at 5 p.m., these ThinkPads are built for life beyond the cubicle. But with so many options out there, you don't want to waste money on a subpar model. After hundreds of hours of testing, here are our top picks for 2025. The ThinkPad T14S Gen 6 is a business laptop that excels where it matters most: battery life and portability. It weighs just 2.72 pounds and features a 14-inch display, making it perfect for commuting or travel. Powered by the Snapdragon X Elite processor, it delivers solid performance. But keep in mind that some apps may not yet be natively supported, so double-check compatibility before making your purchase. For those needing pro-level performance, the ThinkPad P1 Gen 7 is a powerhouse. It's built for 3D design, video editing, and data analysis, delivering top-tier SSD speeds and graphics. Surprisingly, despite being a workstation laptop, it offers an impressive 17 hours of battery life, a rarity in its category. Plus, at just 4.3 pounds, it's lighter than many of its competitors. Its only drawback: the display isn't as vibrant as some other workstations, but for performance-driven users, it's a fantastic choice. If you want something truly unique, the ThinkPad X1 Fold is a rare find. This foldable laptop transforms from a compact clamshell to a large 16.3-inch tablet with an OLED display. With an Intel Core i7 1260U, 32GB of RAM, and 1TB of SSD storage, it handles moderate workloads well. However, its battery life is under 9 hours, and its processor isn't the latest. If you're after raw power, other ThinkPads may suit you better, but for a versatile, futuristic experience, this one's hard to beat. ThinkPads typically start at around $1,000, but premium models can go up to $4,000. If you want the best value, our budget pick keeps costs lower without sacrificing quality. Do you prefer traditional laptop or a 2-in-1? Many ThinkPads now feature 360-degree hinges or detachable keyboards for tablet mode. If flexibility matters, a 2-in-1 might be your best bet. If portability is key, aim for 9+ hours of battery life. The longest lasting models push 10 to 15 hours or more, ensuring that you stay productive without searching for an outlet. ThinkPads are designed for business, but they've evolved into versatile, all-day workhorses. Whether you need unbeatable battery life, high-end performance, or cutting-edge design, there's a ThinkPad built for you. Which one will you choose?